change.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if it's your first time here, welcome. Please do well to hit that subscribe button, like, share, drop a comment, drop a heart. I really appreciate this type of things from you guys. And to all my subscribers, I think now we're on 160 something. Let me check. Guys, we're moving, okay? We are moving forward and upward. I have 163 163 subscribers, and I love every single one of you. Thank you so much for believing in me. This small girl like this, thank you for believing in me. Thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate it. So let's just get right into today's video. So on Trendio, I came across like some deals. You know me and deals 5 and 6. Me, I will not see a deal and not hop on it, you know. So I saw some deals on some sneakers, okay. So I was like, okay, and it said to have like orthopedic soles. If you guys might not know, or maybe you guys don't know, I'm a teacher and we're usually on our feet almost half of the day. Okay, so I was like, I need more comfortable shoes. Most of my sneakers are not so comfortable. Like after a while, it just starts to hurt and all of that. So I was like, you know what, Haba, let me try. And they were really afford. Like, I'm even so scared. Like, I hope they come correct because, like, look at this, guys. Look at how big. I bought 4 pairs of sneakers, 4 pairs, guys, and I'm just so excited. I just want to get into the whole video and stuff. So I'm just going to give you like a breakdown of how much they cost and all of that. So the name of the store is Muggo, Muggo, on Trendio, and this is like one of the sneakers. Okay, hold on, it's loading. Okay, so this is the first one that I ordered. Okay, this is it, and this costs 400 liras. 400 bucks. And this was the second one. This one was how much? 400 as well. And I got this one in black as well, 400 as well. And the last one, I got this color. Like, I just went on a spree. This one was 608, okay? And it's like Gordon unisex orthopedic daily guaranteed lace up. So, you know what? Enough talking. Let's get into the unboxing. What are we doing? So I just hope, oh God, so we should have been more careful. Okay, so first off, why? Who thought this? I don't know if this is from like the cargo company or something. Yeah, I think it's from like their packaging. So I think the cargo should actually do better on that. So I don't know which is which. I'm just like opening. Okay, guys. Wait though. Okay, so there's like a little, I don't know what this is, if this is glue or what, but there's like a little, this is, I can ignore this. So this one is this one, yeah, this is this. Okay, we can say this is, I don't know the sole inside. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what an orthopedic sole is supposed to feel like, but I don't know if this feels like an orthopedic whatever according to what it says. But quality wise, this is actually like, it's actually very good quality. Like I'm in like so much shock. Like it's actually amazing quality. Like I can't like see anything like breaking or wow. Very good. Okay. Okay. I'm wondering if this is what is the orthopedic part or the sole inside. So I'll have to like wear it to like see the comfortability, because I bought it because I need to be comfortable. So if I'm not getting that comfortability, then what's the point of it? So that's one. And I think I got this in a size, what did I get now? So size, what did I get? I think I got this in a size 41. Yes, I got this in a size 41. Okay. Oh, this is the black one. Ooh. Okay. This is not what I ordered versus what I got, guys. Like what I ordered is what I got. Wow, I'm like very, very impressed too. For $400, like that's crazy. Like that's like a steal, like a very, very big steal. Wow. Like the quality is actually it's very good. Like even the inside, it's impressive. Okay. Okay. I think I was too fast. Guys, look at this. There's like thread coming out there, but nothing I cannot snip. But still, for 400 TL, it should be ready to snip off some threads and stuff. Wow, like this is so nice. Like look at this. This is very solid. Like love it. Love it. I love it. So I got this in size 41 as well. And the third one, okay. This is the 601 liras. What's the difference? What's the difference between this one and the 400 TL one? I don't know why this was 601. Right? Yes. I don't know why this was 601, but yeah. It's what I ordered. Like they did not bring me something else. Look at it's the same. Right? Wait. Hold on. Okay, actually, this one is supposed to have like straight stripes like this, but it came with this. So I'm not too impressed about that. This is what I wanted, like this stripe here, but it came like this. But I can get over that, but I need to also just put that out there. Like this is impressive. I'm just so curious, are they going to be comfortable? Like they're so fine for them not to now be comfortable. I also got this in a size 41. Like look at that. Look at that. Like oh, that's so pretty. Like it's so pretty. You know what? I'm so curious. Let me just put it on. Let me see. I think I'll have to wait for like a while. But like just off the bat, putting it on, yes, it feels good. And I think I'm happy that I got a 41. Actually, I feel like if I had got, hey, I actually got one that is 40. I got this in a 40. I hope it's not too tight, because the 41 fits just right. Okay, I can see like some glue here on the last one, which is like this brownish cream beige, I don't know. Yeah, This is also like what I got. Yes. Clock it. So guys, like this was a goodbye. I don't know. Wait, did someone wear this? I feel like someone probably must have tested this, but that's not nice because the sole feels dirty. There's just like stain here on this little part here, but not everywhere else, just here. So I don't know why that is. Okay, let me see. I'm curious about this 40. I want to see if it fits me. Huh, okay. Okay. It's not bad. It's not bad. Actually, the 41 is like space in front, so like I have like moving space, but for the 40 it's like it fits snug on my legs. Okay, it fits just right. So yes, that's like pretty much it, guys. Like I would say go buy. Go buy, like run, guys. I'll drop the link to the sneakers in my bio. Run, oh, before they sell this thing, they finish selling these things. Run, don't walk. This is a good buy, yes. So I would definitely say buy. It's good. So thank you so much. I don't have any other thing else to show you people except my fine face. Anyways, thank you so much. And you know what? I'm about to start something. To those my top commenters, okay, for every person that comments the most in all of my videos, you'll be getting a shout out from me. And according to my, I've been looking, I've been watching, the one person that always, like, you would always see the comments on every of my videos, and the person is always the first person to watch my videos. So my shout out today is going to drumroll. Okay, let me apply. Okay, so my shout out is going to Mara Jaitakova. She always comments on every of my video. By the way, she's my colleague. She's my work colleague, and guys, she's so supportive. Like every single video I post, like she's always the first person to view it. Like once I post it like this, she just goes click and then she drops a heart. Like, look at this, guys. Like she's always commenting like once I drop a video. So I love you, girl. Thank you so much for always commenting. So let's see who's going to be my top commenter in this video that I'm going to drop. So let's see. Let's just see, So she's my top commenter on most of my videos. Thank you so much. And if you want to get a shout out like this from me, you know what to do. Yeah, drop a comment. And you might just get a shout out from me like this. All right, thank you guys. Thank you for staying till this time. Thank you for always supporting me. Like I said in the beginning, I love you guys. Love, 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 love. Thank you. And please like, share, drop a comment on this video. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Toodaloo.